Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Now in this video I'm going to show how I clean my motorcycle chain. We're going to need a couple of things here. First, we've got the bike stand, another cardboard piece, the manual, a rag, chain lube, kerosene, which I've poured into this bottle already, and a couple of brushes, and that's about it. We're going to put the bike on a bike rack. Unless you've got a center stand, then you've got your life set up pretty easily for you. Now if you are doing this, try to have another person help you out. Otherwise, just be very careful when you're lifting your bike up, just so that you don't get injured or nobody else does get hurt. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. So, looking at the manual, your drive chain must be lubricated after washing the motorcycle riding in the rain or riding in wet areas. The first step would be clean the drive chain with kerosene and a soft, small brush. Do not clean the drive chain with steam cleaners, high pressure washers, or inappropriate solvents. Just gonna put the cardboard underneath the bike. Make sure it's not too messy and it doesn't leave stains on the driveway. We've got our kerosene and the brushes. What I like to do is I like to soak all of it. Just do a whole round. That way it can sort of soak in and start working its magic on the chain. So we'll just let that soak in for a bit. We are going to start agitating the dirt off the chain. I do ride my bike every day, so I do have to be quite on top of this chain. Otherwise, I'm going to be spending money sooner than I would like to replace these chains. And they're not the cheapest. Also, if you can, try to wear gloves if you don't want dirty hands. Hey! Excuse me. Coronavirus. Jesus. So, according to Akrapovich, you can clean the exhaust, the headers, and the actual exhaust itself, with kerosene. So, for those who own Akrapovich mufflers for an MT-09, you can use kerosene to clean your exhaust. Now me, I don't clean my bike very often, but I do clean my chain regularly. But I ride every day, so I don't see the point of washing my bike that often. Now we're going on to step number 2, wipe the drive chain dry. So here we go. So you can see the gunk that came out of that. And that is why, folks, you need to clean your chains. Otherwise, the rings, the X-rings or O-rings that you've got in there are not going to last very long. Step number 3. Thoroughly lubricate the drive chain with a special O-ring chain lubricant. Do not use engine oil. Blah 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 blah. This is where this comes in. What I've got is chain lube road, O-ring, X-ring, Z-ring compatible. So that's safe for any chain with the cardboard. I put it here behind the chain so that I don't spray any lube on my tires or my exhaust. So I'm gonna start off with this. With that point again, with that chain link chain, nasty chain link, whatever, with this thing, right? And just spray. The directions of this Motul chain lube is clean the chain first, shake the can and apply within the channel along its entire length, and then let it dry. We've already cleaned the chain, but we're gonna shake the can and then spray the chain along its entire length channels. and then move on. That's where my spray ended, so that's where I'm going to start this time. And we're nearly here, so one last spray. And we just gotta let it dry now. So I'm just gonna leave the cardboard here just in case I've applied too much lube, but it's looking pretty freaking good. So this chain lube is $22.99 from Yamaha World, or I'm not sure, I just gotta find it. And that's it. Cheers.